Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producers of Rapidset cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we're going to demonstrate some of our waterproofing products that are based on Rapidset cement. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. And before I tell you more about our products, I want to tell you a little bit about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs on staff who are researching new technologies and developing new products. We also have great production and quality teams who are working literally around the clock to make sure we can keep up with demand and deliver the highest quality products to you and your jobs. And then we've got this great team of sales and technical support staff whose sole job is to help you have more success on your projects. So CTS Cement is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. Rapidset is a standalone balytic CSA cement that delivers speed, strength, and durability. When I say speed, it gets structural strength in as little as 1 hour, allowing you to put your projects back into service sooner. It also has low shrinkage, low permeability, and superior resistance to sulfate attack. I also mentioned it has durability. We actually placed Rapidset concrete at SeaTac Airport in the mid-90s. And then 15 years later, we had an independent testing lab come out and test the in-place concrete. What they found is that the strength continued to increase well beyond 28 days, all the way out to 15 years. In fact, the flexural strength of that runway is double today what it was back in the mid-90s when they first started landing planes on it. Also, the production of Rapidset cement emits less CO2 than the production of Portland cement. So Rapidset is really a greener alternative to Portland. So Rapidset's been used in a wide range of bulk applications like highways and airport panel replacements. It's been used in large commercial and industrial floors. It's been used in precast, cast in place, tilt-up construction, residential, really all aspects of concrete repair and restoration. So with Rapidset, you'll save time and money, and you'll get high quality results. So today we're going to be demonstrating some of our waterproofing products. We have our WP Mortar HP, which is a waterproofing mortar for both above and below grade interior and exterior applications. And then we have our Water Stop, which is a very fast water plug that'll stop active leaks. I see we have an active leak right over here that's already leaking. So while they're mixing this up, I'll remind you that both of these products are made with Rapidset balytic CSA cement. It's a standalone cement, which means you don't have to blend it with Portland or any other cement to get high early and long-term strength. It also has low shrinkage, low permeability, and very long life durability. So here we're bringing out the WP Mortar HP. Feel free to come on up and get a little bit closer if you can want to see the demonstration. And of course, keep your eye on the monitors overhead. We'll get some great shots for you on these screens. So the WP mortar can be applied thin. It only goes from a 1/16 inch to an 1/8 of an inch. And that's all you really need to waterproof your walls. So you can see here, Ben is applying it with a 3/8 inch nap roller. You can also apply it with a trowel here or a brush. So it goes on very easy. What's great about the roller is it gives it a little bit of texture too, if that's kind of the look you're going for. So I mentioned this can be applied both interior and exterior, above and below grade. It's a one component mix. So it's easy to mix, just add water, easy to apply, and easy to clean. There's no extra waste. So kind of like a cooking show, we've got the live demo where he's applying the WP Mortar HP. We also have one that's already finished. And so we've got half of this block is completely uncoated. The other half contains the WP Mortar HP. And these are Rylem tubes. And so what these are, they're open on the bottom and they're designed to measure moisture penetration into a surface. So now I've got this, this is just water, right? With food coloring. I know we're in Vegas. We went to the bar. Okay, you're drinking my props, Rafa. All right, I'll pour these in. This one again has a WP Mortar HP. And the other side is completely uncoated. So we'll see if we can measure a difference in the penetration. So the WP Mortar HP has passed the DIN EN 14891, which has the requirements for positive and negative side pressure. which means it can block water on both sides of the wall, from the positive side and from the back is the negative side. So ideally you want to wait a few hours and then come back and give it a light mist water cure. And what that does, it really improves the ability of the WP Mortar HP to resist water penetration. And then again, ideally you can wait 3 days or so before applying hydrostatic pressure to it. But at that point, the possibilities are endless. It's great for basements or retaining walls or any kind of application where you've got water penetration or you want to waterproof the walls. So again, we can see here the difference between the sample that's coated with WP Mortar HP and the one that's not. So next we'll be demonstrating the water stop product. So if we can get the water turned on here. Again, water stop is a very fast setting. Is it coming out the right place? It's a very fast setting water plug designed to stop active leaks. So you want to mix this one, it's very fast. So you only want to mix for about a minute and only mix as much as you can apply in 2 to 3 minutes. So you can probably see the consistency is putty-like. It's about 1 part water to 3 parts material. And you can mix it with a trowel or just mix it with your gloved hand. And now once you have the leak, Luis is just pressing it in firmly into the hole, and he's going to hold it there just until it sets. And once it sets, he'll be able to finish it quickly, and that's all there is to it. So again, the key here, this is a fast setting CSA cement, which gives it the very fast strength. If you mix it up to a putty-like consistency and just apply it into the wall. Now this can handle water pressure of about 2 pounds per square inch, which is the same as about 5 feet of head pressure. Now no water curing is needed for this product, and you can come back and paint it if required after a few hours. That's all there is to it. So these products have been used on several projects. Here at the Wire Mesh Corporation, they had water seeping in through the walls. And so they used the WP Mortar HP to coat the walls, and they wanted to install some sensitive equipment. So they were able to use the WP Mortar HP, stop the water penetration, and they were able to install their equipment. The next one here, this is McKinney Drilling. This was a project where they used precast walls underneath the water line of the Austin River. And so they used the water stop to block active water leaks. And it worked so well, they added it as one of their national approved products. So that's it for our demonstration today. Can I get a hand for these guys doing the demonstrations and the guys in the back doing all the dirty work? Come on up, take a closer look at the demonstrations, and please get all your questions answered by our technical experts. And if you missed any of our earlier demonstrations, we'll be repeating them all at the same times tomorrow. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.